It's so icy out here. So guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. My name is Redmar, and today we are doing a hike to the Tumalo Falls, and it's like a 97-foot waterfall located west of Bend in Oregon. So as you can see, there's like snow around us right now, but hopefully I can take some drone shots. Should be pretty cool. And then there's my sister over there. She's already ahead of me, so can't get lost. That's rule number one. And yeah, we'll see what's gonna happen, man. My body ain't used to this. I'm used to that California weather, you know, it's that 70 to 80 degrees, sunny California sun. Totally out of my comfort zone, but that's how you grow. You just gotta go out of your comfort zone, and then eventually you will adapt. But this is what I like. I like experiencing new things. Life is all about experiences and just living your life. Tumalo Creek. Crashed my drone like 3 times. But sometimes you gotta risk it. I broke a propeller and I almost lost the lens. Good thing I found the lens, but I mean the propeller, it can't be saved. I was just trying different stuff and experimenting, and sometimes you fail, but it's all good. And hopefully I could still use it for the falls. I don't know, we'll see. And if not, then that's pretty much an epic fail. But it's all good. You live and you learn. Trial and error, you know? Not really worried. We're basically almost there at the falls. So a few more walking distance, and I'm gonna take some pictures, and I don't know, hopefully I can fly my drone. There is it, the Tumalo Falls. Let me zoom in up. Tumalo Falls, one over there. I wish I could just flown my drone, but I don't know if it's worth it. I don't know, it's kind of risky. And if I lose it, then I can't get it back. Okay, I lied. I still had to get the drone shots. I guess it was still working. I can't do the snow, but this hike probably took like 2 miles to hike, and I'm just glad that the sun is shining upon us because we really need the heat right now. My fingers are numb, my toes are numb because I was just standing still and trying to get those drone shots. Yeah, man, it's time to go back. It's probably gonna take around 35 to 40 minutes. So we were actually supposed to go to Paulina Falls as well, which is another hour or so, but the terrain here, yeah, like our car got stuck because of the snow. The snow's so heavy, even though we have snow chains already. Our tire over here is stuck. It's so icy out here. Look at that. If it gets too dangerous, just turn back. We're just following our gut feeling, and we don't think it's safe to go any more forward. Better safe than sorry, man. We were stuck for a good 10-15 minutes. But then me and my sisters just took turns driving the car backwards. We got out of that. That was pretty scary, but we handled it like a champ. Yet. We're almost there though. The hard part's over. Almost back on the road. Country road. Made it back to the road. Woo! Yay, success. Are we going back home, Nata? Mm-hmm. It's time to go back home and see Toby again. Woohoo! See Toby! got back now. It's so dark. Oh, hi to Tobes. Just got back now from Bend. Hi to Tobes. Hi. Hi, say hi. You want to say hi? Want to say hi? Hi, Toby. Toby, did you miss us? Toby, you're vlogging, Tobes. Toby, you're vlogging. I miss you too. Here. Alright, so this is it. I'm gonna end the vlog now. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget, we got you. Me and Toby, we got you. And I'll see you on the next one, okay? Peace. Toby, put your paw. Say bye. Bye. Bye.